Hello. Today I would like to present to your attention Account Info Manager, a utility for collecting, analyzing and conveniently viewing information on deals made on your trading account. The demonstration is carried out on the MT4 terminal. However, this video is also suitable for the version of the program for the MT5 terminal, since their interface and functionality are completely identical. First of all, before starting the utility, you should select the history period for which the Account Info Manager will display information. To do this, go to the Account History tab of the terminal window and select the period you are interested in. For a demonstration, I will select the entire history for this account. Now you can launch the Account Info Manager on the chart window of any currency pair. Note that this utility is missing any input parameters. After launching the Account Info Manager, for the entire chart size the utility interface opens. At the top is the Program menu. Let's start with the Help menu item. There you can find a brief instruction on how to work with the program, as well as information about the author and version of the program. The utility can display information about both the current state of the account and the history of trading. Let's start with History. This menu invites us to view the full list of closed orders, as well as group closed orders by magic numbers or comments. This allows you to study separately the history of each expert advisor working on the account. First, let's look at the history of trading in the context of the advisors that worked on this account. The title of the window contains the number of the account we are viewing. The information in this window is divided into pages. The current page and the total number of pages are shown in parentheses. There are controls in the upper right corner of the window. With their help, you can decrease and increase the number of elements displayed on the page, as well as move from page to page. The expert advisors in this window are grouped by their magic number. You can also see summary information on the advisor's trading results, the number of orders, percentage of profitable orders, profit in the deposit currency and points, as well as the start and end dates of the advisor's work. You can sort information by any of the parameters by simply clicking on its title. The bottom row contains summary information on the results of the work of all advisors. The magic numbers of the advisors in this window are links, clicking on which will open another window containing detailed information about the work of this advisor. The results of the advisor's work are grouped by currency pairs. Thus, you can get information about the work of any of your advisors on each currency pair. In this window, information can also be sorted. By clicking on the name of a currency pair, you will open a window containing a list of orders opened by your advisor on this instrument. At the bottom of the window, you can see histograms displaying information about the results of the advisor's work. You can control the detail level of the histogram using the plus and minus buttons. Histograms show information on the EA's profit, percentage of profitable orders, the number of orders and the maximum drawdown value. Each advisor can be assigned a pseudonym, which will be displayed in the program instead of the magic number. To do this, at the top of the window, click the Set Pseudonym button. A form will open in which you need to enter the pseudonym of the advisor. In order to remove the pseudonym, simply remove it from the form. You can save information about the results of the advisor to the file. To do this, click on the Save to File button at the top of the window. If the save is successful, a window will appear containing information about the path to the saved file in the terminal folder. You can open the saved file in Excel and work with it as you like. Information about the work of all advisors can also be saved to a file. By clicking on the total inscription at the bottom of the window, you can get a summary of the work of all advisors on your account. Information is also presented here in the context of currency pairs. Here we see a curious situation. Our profit in the deposit currency is negative, while the result in points is positive. This happened because advisors that worked at a loss had a larger average order size than advisors that made a profit. At the bottom of the window, the summary information on the account is presented in histograms, just as it is done for the results of individual EAs. The summary results for the account can also be saved to a file. Now let's look at the function of grouping advisors by comment. In this case, everything is almost identical to the grouping by the magic number, only in the first column we see comments to the orders by which they are grouped. Pay attention, there is also a group for orders without comments, not set. Clicking on the comment will open a window with detailed information about the advisor that opened the order. Here you can see information about the advisor's profit, average order size, best and worst order, profit factor, and so on. Now I propose to go to the item history orders list, clicking on which will open a window containing a list of all orders from the history of this account. Please note that on the right there are comments and magic number of orders, by clicking on which a window already familiar to us opens, with detailed information about the trading results of the robot that opened the order. A complete list of orders can also be saved to a file, which can then be opened in Excel. Now let's go to the current info menu. The items here are similar to the history info menu. The first menu item will bring up a window containing information about the orders currently open by each expert advisor. By clicking on the advisor's magic number, we can see the list of orders currently open by this advisor. By clicking on the total inscription, we will receive a complete list of current orders on this account. It is also possible to group current orders by their comments. In this case, everything is similar to grouping by magic number. The last menu item gives us the opportunity to see a complete list of orders currently open on our trading account. At the moment, these are all the possibilities that the Account Info Manager utility provides. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I wish you successful trading.